Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Clash of Clans on your PC for free. So first you need to open your browser and then search for BlueStacks. Click on the top link and make sure to go to their official site, that is bluestacks.com, and then download BlueStacks 5. Once you have downloaded the program, you need to go to your file explorer and then go to downloads and then double click on the file that you have downloaded. After that, the program will start downloading and BlueStacks will be installed on your PC. So I will meet you after I have set up the BlueStacks on my PC. So after that the app is downloaded, you will see a app on your desktop. If it doesn't appear on your desktop, then you need to search on your Windows BlueStacks 5 and it will appear there. Then you need to click on the app. It will take some time to load. So once the BlueStacks is launched, you need to go to Play Store and then you will need to enter your Google account for the first time. I have already logged into my Google account. Then I will search for Clash of Clans and here you need to click on install. So I will see you after I have installed Clash of Clans. So here you can see that my app has been downloaded. I will click on play, or you can go to your home of BlueStacks and then here click on Clash of Clans. And there you go, you can start playing Clash of Clans on your PC with your friends. I hope you found the video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.